Welcome, beautiful people. This is just a quick setup video. As you can see, I've moved house and this is my new setup. This is a 35-inch screen. I ditched the two screens for one screen. It's good enough. This is my MacBook, my personal laptop, and I got this stand where I make it stand behind the screen or behind the monitor. This is my work laptop's Windows, pretty shit. And there you have my glasses, and this is a Sony headphone. It's very good for noise cancelling. And this is my glasses. This is my keyboard from the previous videos. It's brown Gateron keys. And basically, yeah, this is where all the mess goes. Still not very tidy, but this is what it looks like. That's an IKEA desk and an IKEA chair. Yeah, hope you enjoy this video. Still messy, so it's work in progress.